Okay, you are highly welcome to our wonderful channel. Kindly give us a thumbs of subscription so that anytime that we upload a new video, you will certainly be the first person to get it, as the name still remains Opatafuor. Opatafuor, today too, I would love to keen my voice on life. Life is a beautiful thing, but the wonderful aspect of life is that the drums of life beats a wonderful beat to the hearing of each and everyone differently. To some of we humans, life is a veritable labyrinth, a convoluted maze of experiences and emotions that challenge our intellect and test our resilience. But therefore, I would love to tell you that life is a kaleidoscope of moments, each imbued with its own unique hue and texture, weaving a tapestry of existence that is as enigmatic as it is profound. In the wonderful and illustrious voice of a French philosopher, Voltaire, he once says that life is a shipwreck, but we must not forget to sink in the lifeboats. Indeed, life is a tumultuous sea fraught with storms and tempests that threaten to engulf us in despair and desolation. Yet, it is in the midst of these turbulent waters that we must find the strength to sing, to raise our voices in defiance of the chaos that surround us. As we navigate the treacherous waters of life, we are confronted with a myriad of challenges and obstacles that test our mettle and fortitude. It is during these moments of trial and tribulation that we must draw upon our inner reserves of courage and resilience, forging ahead with unwavering determination and resolve. It is a beautiful thing in the mortal words of the ancient Chinese philosopher Confucius. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising up every time that we fall. It is through our struggles and setbacks that we grow and evolve, learning valuable lessons that serve to shape our character and define our destiny. Yet, amidst the trials and tribulations of life, there is also a beauty and wonder to be found, from the ethereal beauty of a sunset to the profound wisdom of a timeless proverb. The world is replete with moments of transcendence that elevate our spirit and nourishes our soul. In my conclusion, life is a labyrinthine journey, a complex tapestry of challenges and triumphs that shape our destiny and define our legacy. As we navigate the labyrinth of existence, let us remember to sink in the lifeboat, to embrace the storms and tempests with courage and grace, knowing that it is through adversity that we find strength and through beauty that we find solace. Let us navigate the labyrinth of life with courage and conviction, knowing that each twist and turn is but a stepping stone on the path towards self-realization and enlightenment. So you can see very clearly that life is a beautiful thing. Sometimes you shed tears. Sometimes life brings you with joy. Sometimes it brings you with sadness. But the wonderful aspect of life is that we must learn to endure whatever that comes our way, thereby not quitting, not giving up our dreams, aspirations, what we perspire in life to become. We must, as humans, not give up. Whatever that life gives us, we must make very good use of it for us to be able to realize a very good dividend out of it. God bless you and bless you so much. The keynote here is that life has a wonderful mystery. Each and every day, life presents itself in a wonderful way. We must learn to embrace and accept and welcome what life gives us, whether good or bad. God bless you. Opatafuor, Nyanko Ponsha, your friend Opatafuor. And then, for some new dinko mokituebi, efa eye abrabo, eye onipa abraba obo. Abrabo ekura suahunu bebree, ekura nimdie bebree, na abrabo ekura nimdie bebree. Eduru mre bi a abrabo edi ahwehosem ene breye. Eduru mre bi so a abrabo edi enigisem ene breye. Na ni nyina mu no eduru mre bi a de open no obo nse onsanka. Nanso onsanka ne nkire se mu abamumu e wo se utokoso. Ifiri se de enti a otriase e wo asase we so no. Onyankopon ana obofo na obo ede oba asase we so no. Owo botaye bi, owo suahunu bi, owo niama bi nti a ema ode oba ya osiesie wo ede oba asa saa asase we so enti se mre no ene nana opese eniema ekoyie ma no enso na nioma mamu a eno nkire se wo de wonye nipa eno nkire se abrabo waka achi eno nkire se awrade nyankopon refiu onyame wo mre pa edi ma obi bia enti ebeto mre bi na ekom aba abrabo ni mu ebeto mre bi na yaw aba abrabo ni mu ebeto mre bi na esu aba abrabo ni mu ebeto mre bi enipa bepo ebeto mre bi areho esu na be hye o class ni nyina mu no ne kwasem ewo mu ne se ye sabe empanyin se ye ba obi apampam pepe no na ye hye ne komu den enti de ebesi bia se yesu se ya areho ebeduru mre bi owo be fa wo dofo bi afira asase so se wo fa wo bi a ewom se eya enso eno nkire se wo afa wo dofo bi se ya wo maame se ya wo papa se ya wo yere se ya wo nua bi ana wo fa ase bi wo dofo bi a enka wo don pa se wo fa na e ma reho tonwom to ayeye kanfo awrade ne maniyo ene ne kase ya ifri se ono no onim de ye ene oye ma ne ma beduru mre bi na me no mienu ne ani asase so bi na ye nchirimba enso ne wa asase so enti fa hye utrim se ade bia abrabo ede be ma obia no ye krado si wadwene po ne bo utrim po ne sipampim abrabom se umu abamu mo na de besi bia no obeto akwanim ifri se enyi de biara na abrabo ede anigye ebe hye onfunu mu ma ebeto mre bi na yesu ebeto mre bi odofo ebe ya otamfo wo ma waboa wo mo ombeyi wa ma ni nyinara eya areho eya tete eyesu eya enso sana abrabo te efe se bible mpo se nipa nyina do wadue sanso no nipa nyina betan wadue enti ebeto mre bi no ebi bedo ebi betan nenso we nyina se bamu a ka hunu se sana abrabo te nyame nhyira onhyira bebre se won follow page ya bomode ne follow page no na abere bia ye di video betum na won sa onyame onhyira bebre